All right, let's fucking go. 790. GenBlit. In the GenBlit section, in the helper function that's going to be a downscale bitblitter, we have added this downscale Vars section. So the first section of variables, we have aliases for different things. So this is the data cluster for the big selection, data cluster for the small selection, pixels big, pixels little. We also have the width and height of the big rectilinear selections bitmap, the little rectilinear selections bitmap. These are both going to be 2048 and 2048, 2048 and 2048, because we're going to bit-blit in place to create our Mip-Maps. Okay, let's go down here. Okay, next thing. We have the bigger and littler image, XY coordinates, index coordinates, and the component addresses of our pixels. So the address of the first byte of our 4-byte pixel. We have shortened these because these are kind of unruly. This is our source selection. Here's our destination selection. So bigger and littler, min, right? Max, min, max, and x and y, right? Okay, down here we have big rectangle width, little rectangle width. So we're going to take the magnitude of this selection, right? This is the bigger rectangle, and this is a smaller rectangle that we're downscaling to. We're going to get the magnitude of that right here. So we're going to take the bigger minus the smaller and add 1 because it's an inclusive selection. Okay, this is our average red, green, blue, and alpha as a 32-bit number. This is the byte red, green, blue, and alpha average as a byte, right? So we're going to downcast. We're going to downcast these. We're going to downcast these to these. Okay, over here. These are monkey wrench macros. Don't pay attention to them. Sample window width, sample window height, sample window area. So we're going to take the bigger rectangle divided by the smaller rectangle to find a sample window size. This is the area of the sample window that we need to divide by to get the average. And this is the valid sample point rectilinear inclusive selection. VSX VSY is a point somewhere on here because we're going to iterate through every single sample point to collect all the pixel colors and then divide by SWA to get the final pixel color for the downsample. We'll do the code in the next video. Like and fucking subscribe. I'm out of time.